Diners in Europe could soon be ordering 3D-printed fake steaks that look this real. Israeli startup Redefine Meat has rolled out its first whole cuts of alternative meat, while expanding operations from Israel into Europe, where it hopes to reach thousands of restaurants by the end of next year.
It's genius. It's the cleverest thing I've ever seen in 45 years of being a cook. Secondly, when you work with it, when you cook with it, you see its beauty.
What's in it? A mix of soy and pea protein, chickpeas, beetroot, nutritional yeasts and coconut fat. How does it differ to what's already on the market? Redefine Meat says so far, plant-based meat alternatives have mostly been limited to ground beef dishes, including hamburgers and sausages. This mimics flank steak, which is also known as bavette. The company, which until now worked with about 150 restaurants in Israel, says it'll broaden the appeal of alternative meat products.
Wow. It's great. It feels like the real thing. I'm a vegetarian for almost 15 years, and I didn't eat meat for a lot of time. The texture feels right. Even the smell smells like the real thing. Really authentic. For me, it's revolutionary.
The larger cuts, however, are more complicated to produce, and Redefine Meat says the process is still evolving.
This is the first time that a company can launch whole-cut meat alternative into the market that behave exactly like meat. Our goal is to become the largest meat company in the world just by harnessing technology instead of animals. We will put our products everywhere that a consumer meat today, just a new meat instead of the meat you know.
The company plans to build 5 factories across Israel, Europe, the United States and Asia in the coming few years. As technology advances and improves the taste and variety of alternative meats, sales in the sector could reach $140 billion by 2029, about 10% of the world meat market, Barclays estimates. Competition is already high, with players including California's Beyond Meat, Impossible Foods and Spain's Nova Meat. Redefine Meat previously announced it had secured $35 million in funds and said it's also raised a greater amount, but wouldn't disclose how much.